In case you are looking out for a water pump that is powered by solar power, there are so many good options present in the market at the current moment. However, water pumps are of different kinds and are designed for different purposes. For instance, there are water pumps that are meant for decoration such as bird baths. There are many products available to choose keyword, each with different characteristics, benefits and price, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best keyword from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AISITIN 5.5W Solar Fountain Pump. Let's begin with the first solar water pump on this list. This is a solid bird bath option that is offered by AISITIN, which is quite a wonderful brand choice as its offerings are brilliant in terms of build quality. Apart from that, it's a good choice to pick if you are looking out for a budget-friendly option. In the deal, this tiny solar water pump comes with an efficient 5.5W solar panel that can be easily installed with the water pump, and the installation barely takes a few minutes. Hence, it's made tough enough to work for more than 10,000 hours. Moreover, this solar water pump option also comes with an inbuilt battery, which can keep this water pump running for about 4 hours, which is great. Since it's a bird bath pump, its nozzle offers you up to 6 adjustment settings to choose from. In addition, the height of the nozzle can also be adjusted so that you can set it in a perfect way. Number 2. Biling Solar Water Fountain Pump Outdoor. For those who are looking for a highly budget-friendly option but don't want to compromise on the quality, Biling is one of the best brand choices you can go with. Again, this is a highly efficient option to choose, and since it comes with quite an inexpensive price tag, you won't regret spending your money on it. The nozzle of this bird bath solar water pump offers you up to 4 types of spray heads, which makes it one of the best and affordable options out there. Even though it's small in size, this pump starts working in just about 3 seconds as soon as you put it in water. Moreover, it delivers a max flow rate of 160 liters per hour, which is quite good considering it is a bird bath type solar water pump. If we talk about its other features, it still comes with a 1-year warranty, which makes it one of the best options on this list. Number 3. Eco-worthy Solar Fountain Water Pump Kit. Coming up next, you will definitely like this solar water pump for decoration purposes if you have a decent budget in hand. It's a mid-range solar water pump that is offered by Eco-worthy, one of the best and most trusted brands in the industry. Just as we expect from a high-end brand, this solar water pump will truly impress you with its build quality. Not only is it made from top-notch quality ABS material, but it's also rated to have a 20,000 plus working lifespan, which is better than most other options on this list. Moreover, the water pump delivers a max flow rate of 727 liters per hour, which is quite satisfactory. This water pump uses a 12-watt solar panel that comes included in the package, thanks to the various height adjustments offered by this pump. So, the lack of power backup makes it functional only in the daytime. Apart from that, the build quality is brilliant, and it even comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 4. Solariver Solar Water Pump Kit. In case you are looking out for a premium bird bath solar water pump, you should go with this option from Solariver, as it's quite a premium brand and is highly well known for its brilliant after-sales services. As compared to the other solar water pump options that we have discussed so far, it's comparatively pricey. However, every penny you spend on it is totally worth it considering its fantastic performance and superior build quality. Since it's made from top-quality ABS material, you can install it anywhere you wish. A 20W solar panel is also included in the package, which makes it a highly powerful option for you to consider. The pump is totally submersible and comes with a long lifespan of more than 20,000 hours. It keeps all the dirt and debris away from the water pump and avoids any kind of damage. If you are concerned about the warranty, Solariver offers a 1-year warranty with a 100% money-back guarantee as well. Number 5. Solar Fountain Pump, SIYIBAEBY 3W Solar Water Pump. Next up, we have a solar water pump with a pretty unique design that makes it stand out from the crowd. It's offered by SIYIBAEBY for quite a reasonable pricing, so it's quite an affordable option for anyone to check out. Unlike other solar water pumps, this bird bath water pump comes with the most unique design. It does not come with a separate solar panel. In fact, the solar panel is embedded in the base of this, which also works as a stand for this solar water pump. With such a unique design, you don't have to waste your time on installation, as it's a single unit and no wiring is involved. Speaking of its flow rate, it can pump water at a max flow rate of 180 liters per hour, which is better than most other bird bath type solar water pumps. Moreover, it features a decently powerful 3W solar panel that is connected to a built-in 1200 mAh battery. This means that this solar water pump can even function at night or in the daytime when there's no sunlight. SIYIBAEBY offers a 1-year warranty to its customers.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.